Hello, good day, great minds. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ads Inserter plugin to set up Astra codes on your WordPress website. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods to use: how to place the social bar and then how to place the banner ads network. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping more videos on blogging tips, content writing, SEO, and graphic design. Now, let's get there. If you are yet to register on Astra, check on the description link below to register on Astra, and let's set these ads together. So let's head over to our Astra dashboard to see and move together on how to set the ads. Come here and add your website if you have already registered an account. And if you are yet to register one, please use the link below and register. Add your website here with the example here as astra.com. Don't use the HTTPS or www. Then come down and choose your website category. Now, website category is very important when Astra are placing ads on your website. This will help increase your CPM. Then choose your category. Now, the next thing is to choose your ads banner. I always recommend social bar and then the 300 by 250 ads banner. But now let's start with social bar and how to place social bar using the Ads Inserter plugin. So there are other ads banner you can choose, but for this video I will use social bar and one banner. Then let's head back to my dashboard. I have those codes already generated. I'll just go back to my ads unit and then pick the code I've generated before and set up on my website. If you are starting for the first time, your code will be sent to you in less than 2 minutes. You don't have time to review your website. They accept your website instantly even if you don't have your contents in your website. Now let's get there. Let me get my codes. If I get my codes, then I'll head over to my Astra and paste the code. I'm going to take my social barcodes, then head over to my WordPress dashboard. So this is my WordPress dashboard. If you are yet to install the Ads Inserter plugin, please install it. We are going to use it. If you are starting for the first time now, let's go to my plugins, install plugins. If you are yet to install yours, go to add new. But if you have installed yours, just go to install plugins. Now this is my Ads Inserter number 1 on the list. Now click on settings. Now if you click on settings, an interface will appear for you on where to place your ads codes on the dashboard. It has its own dashboard as a WordPress codes inserter. Now this is how the Ads Inserter dashboard looks like with the blank spaces. But here are some writings. I've pasted some ads network I'm using, such as HB Agency. This is another ads alternative you can use on your WordPress website. It has accountings from 1 to 16. Then for you to place your social bar, click on these settings, then head over to your header. All these are other ads network codes on my website. So this is the header position. Whenever you have an ads code and you're asked to place your codes on your header position, this plugin will handle that for you. So this is the header position. Here's also the footer position. You can add it on your footer position. But for now, I'm just going to use the header position. Then paste the code, then click on this green dot. When you click on it, make sure it turns green. Then you click on save settings. Make sure you click on that green to turn green. If not, your code will not show. When it's saved, it will show you save successfully. Then just head over to my blog to see whether the ads will show, because I told you earlier that Astra doesn't take long for their ads to appear. Now let's check over my WordPress blog to see whether the ads is there. Now this is my website link operating on football leagues. So this is one of the best websites if you want traffic. I normally operate on social media traffic. Astra works well with social media traffic, so you must not stress yourself and get organic traffic. But if you have organic traffic, it's an added advantage to you. Now this is the social bar ads network here. As you can see, be safe from Zoom hacking. This one in black here at the side, at your right hand side. Now let's check the other method I talked to you about earlier. I told you we are using two methods, the header method and then the in-content method. Using the in-content method, I'm going to use a banner to place the ad. So if you want to place your banner code in different position of your WordPress blog, this video will also help you, even not for all the Astra, but with other ads network that use banner, as well as Google Adsense. If you want to place your ads code in different position on your WordPress website. Now let's get over to my ad format. I'll pick a different ad format from the one you saw originally, so that when we are done you see the different size without making you see like I'm using the same ads code. The size will differentiate. Now I resubmit, generate my code, then I'll copy my code. Now after copying my code, I'll head over to my WordPress plugin as well. Now the position I used to paste my header code is not the same position, so I'll check on this numbers of blank spaces to paste my code. Now I'm going to replace the code I pick to the position, the last position I used, because I want the ads to appear in the same position as that, but you will see different ad size. Now come here to make sure you choose where you want your ads to appear, your post, your static pages, your home page, other categories. Tick them all. Then you check your insertion. Which position do you want your ads to appear? Is it before post, before content, before paragraph, after paragraph, before image, after image? All this will help you to pick a position you want your ads, your banner ads to appear. As you can see, all these are different positions. Now let me go and check before content. That's the position I'm using. That's the best position I always recommend, because you give your audience the impression to look at your ads before reading your contents. So if you care about your ads first before your user experience, then this format will work well for you. Then after picking down, make sure you click on save settings. Make sure you click on save settings. Any ads you add, make sure you click on save settings. Now my settings should be saved by now when this site finishes loading. So if you're yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Then let's head over to my website to see whether the ads will appear. Now this is the former ads format I'm using, 300 by 250. Now let me refresh the site. If I refresh the site, you should see different ad size, and you know that the changes I made to the ads format has worked fully well. Now this is my site refreshing. Almost done. Now as I told you previously, my ads should be before content, and this ad will also appear before content. And if you want the ads to appear before image, your ads will appear before image. The ad is slow. My site is somehow slow. Now as you can see the space now, the ad is getting open. As in here, this is the ads format. It's already appearing. As you can see, the size is different from the original size, from the former size I use. So this is a different size, banner size, different from the original one. I hope this video is helpful. As you can see, how to paste different ads code using WordPress plugin Adsense. So if you are not using Adsense plugin and you're having difficulties in placing ads code on your WordPress website, this plugin will serve you well with good formalities. Thank you for watching this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. We are Finance Digital, and we're dropping blogging tips, content writing, SEO, graphic designs, and many other tips for you.